Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add wishlist feature in your Shopify store. So basically this video is specific for Dawn theme and all the free themes which you have. I will be showing you step by step that how you can implement this feature into your Shopify store. So let me show you the current situation of my store, that how it looks right now. If I'm clicking on preview, so you will see that this is my home page, and if I'm going back to collection page, so here you can see that I have simple products right here, and I'm interested to display the wish list feature on top right corner. There will be a heart, and on the top also I'm interested to add on the right of this cart icon. So we will be having that wish list page also. When we are clicking on this, then we will be redirected to wish list page. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this same feature into your Shopify store. So firstly, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. So I have already written a complete documentation. I will be adding the link below in the description. So once you are clicking on that link, you will be getting all these files. And first of all, you should open documentation.txt. Inside of this file, I have already mentioned all the steps which I am going to follow in this video. So the first step is create wishlist snippet, and name of that snippet should be wishlist-page.liquid. So let me copy this name from here and go back to the browser. And here you should click on these three dots, and first of all you should duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of this fresh version. Once you duplicated this, then again you need to click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here is the Shopify store editor. So now we are interested to create a new snippet file. So you should click on snippets, and then on the top we have an icon of new file. Just click on that and then paste that name which we have just now copied. So that is wishlist-page.liquid, and then press enter key. And then after here we have the second step, which is add script in home page before body tag. But let me complete the first step. Actually, we have to paste the code. So that code is wishlist-page.txt. So let me copy this complete code from here, and then let's paste it inside of wishlist-page.liquid. I have pasted, and then save the changes, and then you can close this file. We have the second step, which is add script in home page before body tag. So that means we need to go back here, and here is the script for theme. So you should open this, you should copy this complete code from here, and then go back, and here you should search. Actually we have the layout, and inside of layout we have theme.liquid. So you should open theme.liquid file and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you can see that we have body tag. So just above this body tag we are going to paste that script. So I have pasted that code, and let me save the changes. Now once you saved, then you should actually close this file also. Go back to the documentation again, and here we have the third step, which is add below code in cart-product.liquid. So let me open that file first. So you should click on this search box and paste that name of the file, which is cart-product.liquid, and then click on it. So you will see that this is the file which we have to open. So outside of card wrapper, so basically this is a, let me show you. This is something like this is a class name card-wrapper. So just above this card-wrapper we are going to paste a code, which is this one. So let me copy, and then after you should paste it right here. So once you paste it, then you can actually save the changes, and then go ahead with the fourth step. Now the fourth step is go to header.liquid. So let me copy this name from here and go back to the browser and close this file and search header.liquid. So here you can see that we have header.liquid file. So you should click on it, and then you have this file here. So here we have like in header.liquid, after header icon element with class, this one, paste below code. So let me search this class first. So you should use Ctrl F or maybe Command F and search this class name inside of tag. And what is next? Paste below code. So basically we are going to paste this code after this tag. So this is anchor tag opening from here and closing at this line, and just press enter key and then paste that new code here and then save the changes. Now you can close this file also and go back to the documentation. We have the last and final step, which is create a new page wishlist and also create a new template and name it wishlist. So let me show you what exactly this means. You should go back to the dashboard and then click on online store, and here you should click on pages. Inside of pages we have to click on add page, and here we need to paste wishlist. So basically this is the page name. So you can write here wishlist and then click on visible, and then after click on save. After that we also need to do one more thing. Just open this in a new tab and go to edit theme. Click on edit theme, and then after we are going to create a new template. So click on this drop down and click on pages and then click on create template, and then after you should write the name wishlist. So you should paste it right here. Click keep this default page and then click on create template. Here we go. Now we have this template, and you can actually remove this line, this page, and then after you should do one more step, which is inside of that template we need to add a custom HTML section and then paste this code. So let me copy this code and then go back and click on add section, and here you should search custom liquid. So click on it, and then after on the right hand side you have the option to add it. So I have added render wishlist page and then save the changes. That's it. Now we are done with everything. So let me refresh this page. Right now you can see that we have no wishlist icon right here, and if I'm refreshing this page you can see that we have now wishlist icon added right here, and on the top we have also that icon. So now let me show you how it will be working. You should click on any of these. For say example, I have added these two products in the wish list, also this one. So this is working, but before that you should also do one more change. Go back to the dashboard and you should refresh this page right here, and then after you should actually click on visible. We already did that, and click on this drop down and choose wish list template and then save the changes. Once you saved these changes, then you can actually refresh it back, and then you can click on this heart icon, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all those products which we had added into the wish list. So if you are interested to remove this, you can also remove it. If you want to keep it in the add to cart, so it will be added to the cart, and here you can see that this is added to the cart. Alright, so we have actually implemented this feature, and if you are going back to home page, you can also see that wish list feature is already there in the home page, also in the featured collection, and here is the main collection page. So we already have that, and if you are interested to remove it, you can also see that we can remove it from here, and then if you are going back to wish list page, automatically that product will be removed from wish list. So that's how we can actually implement this same feature in any of the store. So if you are facing any kind of issues, then you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. So this is super simple. You can follow the steps and that's it. If you have any new store to create, or maybe you have a new section to create, so definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.